Hey guys, so I can barely fit these in screen, but these are Astro season greeting. They did two styles or versions again like they have been doing. So we got an orange and a black one, but let's start with the black version here. The orange one does feel a little heavier. I do quite like this briefcase theme because it looks like you can actually carry it if you want. There's a little handle. Kind of a rough texture to it as well. Kind of gives you a list of everything on the back that comes in it. Let's open her up and see what we got. Look at all those goodies. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, and then here's the inside all emptied out. So first thing we have here. What's the first thing we got? A little greetings card, pop-up card. Okay, next is little postcard calendar cards. So it's got the calendars on the back. Okay. Then we have stickers. Okay, so stickers, more stickers. Okay. Stickers. So let's see. So they're all member names. So like this one says Jin Jin. Got Moonbins. Sanhas. MJs. This way. Rocky and Umus. And then we have photo cards or more like ID cards. Ooh, they're thick. Love a good thick photo card. Okay. Just give it a second to focus. There's all the ID cards. Next we have a CD. Don't see anything on it about subtitles. And then you get a universe card I think this might have just launched not long ago. Another set of photo cards. Ooh, Astro, you really gave us everything. Okay, good. Moment to focus. I don't think it refocused, did it? There we go. Okay. Then we get a nice large folded calendar poster. Then we get our desk calendar. Oop. There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's take a look. I'll flip one way and then back the other. Okay, now the other way. Let me know if you got your biased for your month, your birthday month. I didn't. Jinjin's my biased. I got Nwu for my birthday month. And then 2 more items. Let's see. Looks like it's a photo book, which I love because sometimes they do such great concepts and I'm like, you only like total get like 10 photos. And I'm like, no. So I love, love, love the photo book idea. I wonder if they have a similar concept or something completely different for their other version. I love like the whole biker vibe. Okay. And then last item for this one is a planner. I'm not much of a planner person myself. I really like to-do lists. Like I'll do like a to do for this week list type thing. So like breaking things down into a daily sometimes just doesn't really work for me because then it feels more like a chore or a job than, you know, something else. So I'm not much of a planner type person, so that's why I kind of prefer more of just like bullet journals or notebooks and post-it notes. I'm a big post-it note person. So I get like the bigger pad ones with the lines on it. But that's more me. So it looks like we get all of the month views at the start. And then nice photos. And then we have some weekly views. Then we get to some just like notes or memos, /line paper. You definitely do to-do lists here. Do like a little dates or little squares so you can check them off as you do them type thing. Plain white paper. I would fill that up fast with just doodles. But that's everything for the black version. Do love this case design. Guys, shimmy a little. There we go. Love the little handle. If you pull it too much, these will probably pop out. But all right, let me grab the orange one. Okay. A little corner. There we go. Remember when I first started doing unboxings, I'd already have all this bubble wrap, like, not bubble wrap, but all this plastic wrap already pulled off. And like found the photo cards with the really goody goods and set them aside and everything to open at the end. Oh, but a lot of people were telling me to just open it so it's more of a surprise. Because I used to like really research everything and be like, this is everything you're going to get. This is how it goes. And I'm like, this is too much of like a teacher instructing their kids or something. So I really loved when I started just opening it up all on screen. I think it makes it a lot more of a surprise for everybody. So I'm going to pull this all out. Yeah, this is the downside to these little parts because everything on top's so heavy. These things all collapse. They don't like bend right or anything. There's like nothing really to hold it in shape. Like they didn't tape it or anything like that to help it hold shape. But there you go. So it looks like this one's not going to have as many goodies. So again, we're going to have a pop-up greeting little card here. What is our theme going to be? Painters? No, just kidding. Because they got paint all over their face. And then calendar cards. Chin chin. Okay. Next is stickers. So these are more like mini sticker sheets. So you get, two little sticker sheets. Then we get some like fan standy. I don't know. I'm gonna call him a cake topper. Stick it in the cake. I don't know how well you're gonna see these. Sorry. This stupid fly that won't go away. All right. And then these are going to be the same stickers that were in the black version, so I'm not going to go through those. Got another universe ticket. Let me put the CD in first. Just nice and red. We'll go through the photo cards. Okay, photo cards. Next will be our folded calendar poster. Ooh, large and in charge, man, for show. How cute they are with the paint. Okay. Next is our desk calendar. So we have about 2 items left after this one. Okay, next side. I think the very first Astro unboxing I did of their season greeting is like one of my most popular videos. Oh, I loved it. It had like the nice rainbow holographic boxes. So pretty. It had so many goods in it too, so I'm not surprised by how much stuff Astro gave. They're usually like, you're paying this much money for it? Yeah, we're gonna just flood it with stuff. Sorry, that page felt a little thick. Which is good, because with all this stuff, I feel like I'm getting like my money's worth. Because season greetings are a little on the expensive side. Here's going to be our photo book, which I so love that they do, or that they did. Look at the little freckles. Ah, Jin Jin. He's like, check out my paint. I can't wait till Astro comes out with another album. Oh, look at that. It looks just like the black version. Oh, it's so smart. Oh, I love that. Alright, and our last item, probably the planner. If you get it, ooh yeah, to open. We got a month view. So it's probably styled the same. Weekly. Line paper, plain paper, and that's it. So that is both of Astro's season greetings. Let me know which version you liked best. I loved the uber over the top amount of extras we got in the black version, but I'm not sure. I feel like I kind of like the black version's concept a little better as well. So if I had to purchase just one, I probably personally would go with the black version. I just really love everything about it more. Just like the texture of it, because this one's more of like a smooth kind of, I don't know, velvety texture. And then we got this nice rough texture. Just everything about the black one I just love. So that's the one I would recommend. But let me know which one you liked best and what your favorite item would be in the season greeting. Mine would definitely be the photo book and photo cards, since the planner is not really my style. But like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next one, bye guys. Hey Siri. You don't want to talk to me? Fine. Be that way. I don't want to talk to you either.